Hello guys! Welcome back to the SM Sisters channel. And today, welcome back to the summer special series by the SM Sisters, episode number 3. So, in the previous two videos, we learned art and craft. We also visited a place, that's Hyderabad. Now it's time to cook something, isn't it?
Oh yeah, and something very, very delicious needed in the summer times.
Let's tell them something very special about this recipe. It needs only 3 ingredients and also it is fireless. And I am sure everyone of all ages loves to eat it, especially in the summer. Can you guess what it is?
I can.
Yeah, tell me.
Ice cream! Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream!
Yes, that's correct. So today we'll be learning a 3-ingredient ice cream and it's so delicious. I can't wait to make it. So friends, see you all in the working station. Guys, let's take a look at what are the 3 main ingredients needed. First comes the Star Whip, that is whipping cream. Next we have a chutku bottle of vanilla essence. Then, last of all, Milkmaid or condensed milk. We prefer Nestle Milkmaid than Amul. Little sister bought a bowl and the blender. Hey, little sister, there's water. There can be no water, friends, so wipe your bowls clean and dry. It's all dry. Now, let's begin. The first step is to pour all the whipping cream into the bowl. This is 500 grams. So, yeah. Ooh. Wow. Now, little sister, plug in the blender and let's start whipping it. Come on. Start. Until there are high peaks formed and you can actually flip the bowl and nothing will fall.
Go someone like that.
Let's do it. So it take you around 20 to 25 minutes to whip it up to make it to that consistency. As you can see, my little sister has been whipping it for a while. It's about 20 minutes now. And look at the amazing consistency. It's become thick and there are small peaks formed, soft peaks. Now into this we'll be adding the condensed milk and vanilla essence. We have to add the entire condensed milk since it's 500 grams and we need that much of condensed milk. This packet of condensed milk is of 400 grams. We're gonna start pouring it into this. Guys, if you're willing not to make a vanilla ice cream, you can also make it of mango flavor since it's summer and most of you may like it. How are you supposed to make that? Instead of putting vanilla essence, you can add mango essence and also add some color, that is yellow color, and also some mangoes, chopped mangoes. It's gonna taste amazing. Yeah, it's very tasty. We have tried it once. Okay friends, so now let's continue the recipe. You can see friends, we put in the condensed milk. Be careful with the tin, friends, because you may cut your hand with that, so be careful. Also, now here's the vanilla essence. Let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into this. Yeah, so that's 1 teaspoon. Now little sister will whip it up once more so that high peaks form. And then we'll leave it in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours so that it can set.
It. A spoon also you can mix. Like this.
Whip it up, sister. Nice, it's 6 to 8 hours since it has been in the refrigerator. So, don't you want to go and check out how it is?
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Because I know how tasty it's gonna be.
Little sister, get up. 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 Let's go and take a look. Ooh, that's the final product. Tasty, huh? Let's try it. So friends, let's scoop it out. Now, let's start the taste test. Here we have today's taster, Miss Little Sister.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. What would you prefer or what would you recommend to have with vanilla ice cream? The best options, please.
Marshmallows.
Uh-huh.
Hot chocolate syrup.
Wow.
Chopped mango pieces
Uh-huh.
and strawberry syrup.
Oh, wow. That's nice. And
But
what?
since it's the mango time, I will take mango.
Okay, so our taster says today she wants to have mangoes over our vanilla ice cream. Let's go for the taste test. This is our ice cream, friends, and now little sister wants it with mangoes. So let's add a few mangoes. Here comes a mango. Ooh. Let's add it onto the ice cream. Whoa.
Yummy. So tasty.
Oh, little sister, leave some for me. Stop putting all of it.
Oh. Okay. Just some more.
Oh. Taste it. Are you ready?
Mmm.
Uh-oh, you're tempting me more than yourself. Come on, try it.
Mmm. So delicious, guys. You must make it, and it's best during the summers. Especially with these tasty sweet mangoes. Amazing.
Thank you for your opinion. Now save some for me.
I'm eating it.
No, 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 no. Guys, we hope you enjoyed making ice cream and also eating it. We also enjoyed eating ours. We're going to finish it very soon.
I'm going. Bye. Oh.
Wait, don't click the back button. Listen. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also
So
click the bell icon below for all notifications.
Ding,
Bye.
Bye.